so bi ko gyina honom na se esofo ne nsem okan ni mienu ne yedi kan free SHS NDC for say papa no say mama ba obetwam bishop ayesu na kan me be kire mo ase am yehudi ono kan de etoso mienu 11 no a okase mama entimi ntwam no papa no na eka wonu mu asam so de na bebu abem me ba ye no so abekira mamfo hu but more importantly minua se sofo aka sa na mfomso tia mpo a atemdidie mazi bi de where ye beko ye di atem afi abepem sa na ye gusu di atem oman no branding ben ye de ema no minua chese ucha se atenie dia one it shows your level of intolerance chese onyu obi a wabotre dia tosumienu it shows your upbringing you are uncouth wadi miei sa temidie e na de be obi anu a dia tosumiensa ya yentiase pa so ni say kasa ohwe botaye be na ta kasa chi ye wo communication e wo batwi ya na emuodin communication and talking. Of course many people can be credited as talking, but they are not communicating. The essence of effective communication and say, ubet me I influence you be, ubet me I persuade you be, MPP ni bet match NDC ni be abidin. But more often than not, both MPP and NDC for no, we are always off tangent. We can't hear, we can't hear. We are then abeswao, especially in propaganda. Some contrast MDC for you na papa. When I benyan de naba. Leaders no and SI party no enya DC fo nyina tina kira ne so badwe manage okra the essence of communication one minua so betumi atwe nipa beto ase de atoso tu o kire nim de atoso miensa o kire o pani ye how mature you are de atoso nan o kire sa wo tenema bi ase na kasa edin kabo mu ni asumdwe so ba anything Bible say emo eboko de sanka ni o say emo ebonko boko sanka ni bre de twa no kan no me de wie ehonum no na maba mama de na okan ya amanfo agi nwo achi nyiri so onti oyi ya ka say ontimi no menua the book of Judges chapter 12 1 to 6 ekoba say Gilead for no kokon they were led by Jephthah to am kokon bae no Gideon or they say Gordon ena wo mu nuanom Efraimfo no eyi wo mo ya no se mo kontokwan kwa mo anka nkire yen kenem beko na o se je pam chew yanka ye ka kire mo apre ye mu no so ye ka kire mo afa de Efraimfo so mni Gilead fo no beko no se ani mo ne ye beko dia ye so ye ntrase mo wo nka yen obra baada ho enom kosi pampim wo Jordan ho ba bie ye ntokwa hihye so afa de Efraimfo makofa ntokwa se buru wo mo so wo mo pakuya dwane enom kofa linguistic text bi now do one man yakase ka Shibolet. But now one more northern side of Israel. Omo timi nka she, omo ka Shibolet. That very day no, because of so much man ka Shibolet, eko ka Shibolet no, enipa 42,000 omo kumo omo. What is the implication here? How is it relevant here? Many of our political communicators today no, they are speaking Shibolet. Omo kasa pamo party and Krofo Free Party no, both NDC and MPP. Ejuma force here hia ketua. And I'm here say no. You are speaking Shibolet. You are not speaking Shibolet. Oh, you're effective and dynamic and efficient communicator. Oh, share their public opinion no konwa. You find a way to align. You don't kick against the pricks. Hanu bin this for no yeno. Bishop Ayensu amo yenisano. Or yire. Or ma. Or free Methodism. And of course Methodist. Yes, sorry atitini papa. Waka Methodist, waka Anglican, waka Presby, waka Catholic, waka SD, waka Baptist, and many more of such Pentecostal and Orthodox churches. So they are kicking against the priests. They are speaking Shibolet, not Shibolet. What you say? And to the year, you know, Nasabi Shawumfie. Mini Asami Shawumfie, baby, Okodro. Yamia, you are doomed as a lawyer. A two bedi party, a chin will be a crowd, Benya Dientino, as a Odache.
Why do we do this to Ghana? Maybe same way they say. What do you gain when Ghana loses? What do you gain? Ghana didn't say MDC, what do you gain? Is this not this same Ghana you want to become president and ministers over? And you want to run it down and bastardize it into foolishly. Are you telling me, sir, when you are done degrading Ghana and destroying Ghana, now when you come to power, are you now come to restore all the lost glory it has lost? When you could have built upon the glory that is already being built? Kwasi abana de to nso na kwasi afi de driver for mra. Driver for de to nso yesi adwadi for mra. Adwadi for de to nso ma afi de yesi hey yakoton Achimota Forest. How? Me Achimota Forest we me ti abrochire de but ansa na we beba no minim ho hwe kura no minim say 2016 and this is a fact and then am can me pe you know flyer omo ye no na nka me hwehwe sa flyer no na nka me the administrator away chairman do not the ato but my yes I mean honorable nka because I won the phone so I mean ni na di hu komo na nka o de aba na ya twa say 2016 na ho na ye president na ade Akufo-Addo aton aden ye twa ho sword 2016 Ghana for let's be smart too. I have told you people say NDC has nothing better for Ghana. A Yeboka party. A Jimmy for what's our party no Dawson. I had a one to Bregu Yamni at Jimuntian no. A Dawson was our party no. We nipa 100 ya. When your papa will more 20 no crown, woman 50 Ghana, not your best son. How the hell do you tell me, say, President Mahama can cut a sword to make that place into a park? Yet it was sold under Akufo-Addo. How? Akufo-Addo ne sebe Mr. Mahama one the president kane. Enti se yakaso obi aton anka one ton ye. Sampa say yaton Achimota Forest yanka one ton ye because there will be a one de wire flyer. Ekotwa so de say monfa aha say yanya park. Why do we do this to Ghana? Forest imu ye chira e date way back 1860 BB Godisburg no ma breso eyi abrofo na penso ene ye gye sansase we edifire musuafo no ho na part kura enne eho akoba asem a ye ken no enka the correct forest na ye friend Achimota Forest no enka the babiara baby a owufuei ene ye twe wo hui enka wo babiara enka ye forest no ye reserve no enka the babiara. But Ghana ni yedim say yenko redi. Ghana ni Abangazi Wellington. Onim say journalist na mu no kura no wonko redi. Na nkade a 1861 you say 1862. Akufo-Addo Satan no kura say menni no kura say no kura na maame no papa kura hia 1860 BB. 1860 BB. Now all of a sudden Akufo-Addo na akoton. When there is a pre-condition, there's an article from time got this bag no more pencil and Kruma no more pencil in our network. President Kufuor na country gas ha dear we President